Hey there guys, so I just got a call. It's been a while for drone deer recovery, but someone called regarding a lost pet. I've never done a pet recovery before, but we're gonna send it. I mean, it shouldn't be too much different than trying to recover a deer. It's really cold out, you can see my breath, but we're gonna go give it a shot. So hopefully we find this animal. I prayed we would, and this woman seems really nervous and scared, obviously, because she lost her beloved dog yesterday. So we're gonna hopefully help her out. She's left. Do you think she would have gone up to a stranger if there was a stranger?
Oh, absolutely.
Oh, really?
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
She is so friendly.
Maybe someone took her in.
I mean,
She's freezing out. Yeah, so if
everywhere.
someone has her, they'll let you know for sure. Someone with their dog. Should double check. No, that would be wild. Someone's just walking your dog. The cat. Mm-hmm.
Oh, that makes a lot of sense.
Right. That's a dog. Oh. There's a ton of cats.
Jeez Louise, my cat. My next step after this is literally search every shelter there is to be searched.
I'm so confused.
Oh.
The cat?
I think it's a cat taking a
What are they barking at?
Oh, cat.
An orange cat.
Look, two cats.
Another stinking cat.
Over there. They're so cute. Oh, okay.
Oh.
They never got that.
There is so many cats over here. Well, you could do 150. No, don't worry about it.
No.
I mean, this is my first time doing pet recovery, so I'm like kind of learning as well.
You've been really gracious and helped and test me. I don't think I can cover as much ground as you did with that. Okay.
Yeah. I'm still hopeful that someone brought your dog into their house or something and they just don't know how to contact you, but I hope you find them. Thank you so much. I'm sorry about that. We tried our best, and yeah, and at least you can go to sleep knowing you tried your hardest. So to conclude this video, turns out actually later that day the dog was found. So someone had just brought the dog into their house and didn't know how to contact the owner because there was no collar on the dog with the address or number of the owner. So thankful for that, so happy for the owner. Unfortunately, like, the drone didn't actually recover the dog, but we found practically almost every animal in that neighborhood, as you can see from the video. So I was confident either the dog was in someone's house or it was under some kind of shelter trying to get away from the cold. And we just couldn't see it with the drone because it was so cold the night before and the dog was lost all night. So I'm just so happy the dog is alive and well and that it was found. So first time doing pet recovery. There's a first for everything. Maybe we'll do more. Who knows? So thanks for watching. Bye.